Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to a day. Today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, July the 18th, 2023. Not so good news because in today's newspaper we have only one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, unfortunately, no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No additional. In today's newspaper, we have a solution for today because in the yesterday's newspaper of Monday, no extra puzzles, only one regular puzzle. So the solution is to solve the rest of the puzzles. This is the yesterday's edition, Monday, July the 17th, 2023. We have 3 puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, 2 star Sudoku, and the tectonic. I will do these 3 puzzles in the evening, but right now I will start with the medium Sudoku. What's the news of today? Well, it's still hot in South Europe. In Spain, Portugal, Italy, France also here, Greece, Croatia, the temperature above 40 degrees, 43, 45. So there are a lot of fire in the forest, in the bush. So a lot of fires. So that's because the climate has been changed. Yes. All right. Enough with the news. This one will be number 6771. 6771. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 31 printed digits. Should be these one. Easier than the 1-star puzzle. In addition, the 1-star puzzle Sudoku has 27 printed digits, less than this one. And for the 1-star, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, maybe this one 40 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 3 in this last row? 3 in a row above. So on that row, the only 2 places left. The 3 should be here or there. You see, I have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left. The 3 should be here or there. We see I have 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left. For the 3 should be here or there. You see I have 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Well, a lot of troubles with my yellow pencil. Alright. Can I count? Yes. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. Which number can I pick? How about 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in the middle row is the number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in the middle row could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 6 in this column, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. And now, I cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. Alright. How about the number? Well, Yeah. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Come on. 5, 5. I'm thinking. Yeah. 1. 1. 1. 1. Come on. What's happening? 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this column, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so no row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 8 is missing. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Yeah, 4 in the last row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. And 1 box left in the second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6, 7 is missing. 7. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Well. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Okay. 1, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this last column. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 and the 7. Well, 9, 7 and 8. 9, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9. 7, 8, 9, 9, 7, 8, and a 9, 7, 8, and a 9. And look, we have a 7 and a 9 in this row. So no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7, 9, 7, 9. So one digit left in the third column for number 8. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. Okay, need a 5 there. 7 and a 9, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and a 9 is missing. 5, 7 and a 9. 5, 7 and 9, 5, 7 and 9, 5, 7 and 9. And look, we have a 7 and 9 in the first row. So no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this big square for number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5, okay. One box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here, 2 in the last row, no 2 there, so the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 2. Alright. Okay, and now 7 and 9, 7 and 9, and now 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. A 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 1. We have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then let me see. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, no only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 and a 7, we have a 9 now in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 and a 9, final 2. No, We have one number here, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 3 puzzles in additional of the yesterday's edition. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Bye bye.